Hi, Ann. This is Rick. How are you? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to show you how to do the TV here, okay? This one here is the on and off. That's all you need to use this one for. This one right here is the Apple TV, and this is the one where you're going to go through all the channels and everything and all the apps, okay? So here's what you're going to do is you're going to scroll your thumb around like this, and that's going to go do the apps. And then right here is the menu. Anytime you want to go in and out of everything, you just click the menu button right here, okay? So hopefully that will work. So let's go up to the TV here. Let me show you what's going on now. Okay, so right now your TV is going to look like this. And this is what you have. You got different types of apps. You've got your Prime. Anytime you just click this menu button right here, if you have any problems, okay? And you can scroll up and down, scroll up and scroll down. Hopefully that'll help you out. And these are the different apps. So you've got Prime, you've got Disney, you've got Netflix, YouTube, and this one here, I Love TV. That's all it's got like 3,000 channels to it as far as that goes. And you have access to all of these. Here's your local if you want NBC, Arizona Family. Locus is for your local too. I'm going to quickly do that. Maybe that's not working. Okay, there it goes. Maybe that's not working. Oh,